In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click on this icon at the top right corner. And as you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold this line and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. To turn it into a bubble, click on this line at the top left corner, and then to access it, tap on the bubble. If you want to use your app in full screen view, click on this icon also at the top left corner. And in order to close it completely, use this X at the top right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!